Hey guys, this is Tint and we are learning PHP, and in this part we will understand PHP syntax, right? So let's create a project and understand PHP syntax, right? So I have created the project inside htdoc, YouTube tutorial and file which is index.html. You can open in your code editor, right? So I'm opening it here, and here is my HTML codes, HTML opening tag, HTML body opening tag and body closing tag is here, h1 tag. This is the PHP tutorial and we are using it here a PHP, right? So this is the PHP opening tag and this is a PHP closing tag, right? So this is the PHP syntax, and inside we can write our PHP code it here, right? So let's run this project and see what will be output, right? So open your browser and type localhost and your project name, right? So h1 is here PHP tutorial and hello world, right? Whatever you will write it here echo, and whatever you will write in a single and double quotation you can see on a browser, right? This is the hello world, right? So this is the closing tag is required because we are using a PHP inside HTML, so closing tag is required. If you are not using HTML and any other languages like CSS and JavaScript, something like, you don't need to close PHP tag, right? So Control S for save and refresh the browser, you can see hello world, but you are using, after that you are using something h1, right? h1, and you are put the PHP tutorial, right? Tutorial. So it requires, just run this project and it says syntax error, right? So if you are using with the HTML and any other code like HTML, CSS and something JavaScript, right, it requires a closing tag, right? So Control S for save and run. So you can see hello world and PHP tutorial, and this is called, just remember that this is called opening PHP tag and this is closing PHP tag, and here we can write our PHP syntax and code it here, right? So now you have understood PHP syntax it here, right? So if you like this video, you can subscribe and like, and if you have any questions and doubt you can write comment. So I'm here to give any give answer and solve that problem, right? So next video I will come with a new thing. Till then, bye, take care.